Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. And well, we see the dollar breaking up over here. They broke this trend line over here. They broke this trend line over here. And they are looking to break this high over here. And next up they have this high. Gold broke down because of the dollar breaking up. The S&P futures are looking, it could be a falling wedge actually. Just seeing this now, could be a falling wedge, I think. Yesterday's candle closed quite okay. Same for the Nasdaq, and it seems like the Nasdaq top 100 will be getting a bounce today. Really nice bottom reversal candle over here. If they break this trend line, I think they will see some relief. Gold is looking bad, still looking bad. Could even go for a bearish retest and then it's still bad. But the dollar is looking good. And yeah, stocks could bounce here. Take a look at the falling wedge over there. Another one for the dollar. Inverse head and shoulders, we looked at this yesterday, and if you zoom in, we see exactly that point I meant with the higher high, and they already made it. So yeah, dollar is strong. This trend line broke. Anyway, yeah, and this is the S&P 500 futures. Like I said, they broke down under this trend line. Let's remove everything, and for now, I might see a falling wedge in the making. I'm not sure it is a falling wedge already, but for now I think this is possible. Something like this. You could, if we zoom in a little bit more to the hourly, you could also see something a bit more steep over here. But yeah, it seems possible in my opinion. Bitcoin is very correlating with everything. Well, on a bigger time frame, we see this, of course, on the daily chart, and we see 10.5k being very important over here on this level, and this level. So I will not draw a line over there. Also, this is a very important line for BTC. Also, this is a very important line for BTC at the moment. So we are in a tightening pattern once again. And as long as this pattern doesn't break to the downside, this trend line, I consider this a bull market. If we break to the downside and we go through this trend line over here on a really high time frame, 3-year trend line almost, yeah, then I'm bullish. Oh, sorry, bearish. Then we will have downside once again. And that could be quite the nuke. I do not, like, I am not expecting 3k levels again, like for the coming 2 years at least. I think we're in a bull market still. I'm not longing at the moment. Could happen. For now, I'm risk off, basically because the dollar is bouncing. I'm not saying because of that Bitcoin should go down, but lately they have been correlating a lot. And of course, we had the halving in Bitcoin, but for now, I am on the safe side. We are still making lower highs after this. People are very bearish and stuff, but we are still higher lows over here. So it is not that bad yet. If this trend line breaks, yes, then I'm bearish. Let's take a look at something else. Sorry, nothing to see here. Funding, negative. Everything is negative again. Usually a good spot to buy. For now, I'm not so sure. my intuition tells me something and I don't know exactly what, but I don't know, I'm not feeling comfortable with it. Let's take a look at Coinbase versus Bitfinex. Yeah, big premium of more than $20 on Bitfinex, and that is bearish, guys, because Coinbase is where fresh fiat is coming into crypto, yeah, Coinbase is where fresh fiat is coming into Bitcoin, and Bitfinex already, you know, it goes all through Trader and stuff, and it basically is already in Bitcoin. Really, it's the same line I draw it in that other other chart, but here you can see it lining up with other places as well. Very important line over here, guys. Very important line. So yeah, Bitcoin is at a scary spot. I do not want this line to break. It can happen. I mean, if everybody starts shorting now, that is when we will bounce, when we will go up, because not everyone can be right. It's as simple as that. Take a look at Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is at a scary spot. No lower lows yet, just like Bitcoin. No lower lows yet. People are talking very bearish, but as soon as this level gives away, then we are really bearish. But for now, yeah, we are on support of this trend line, so it is scary. Yes, looking where we have support is over here and is over here at this spot. So that's basically it. I'm not pulling any trades over here. I am just being a wise old man over here. Bitcoin BTC, same case. Not lower lows yet, but not something I definitely like to see or something. So not much to talk about. Someone asked me to take a look at .USD. I mean, we see something over here. I draw this on. Let's chart it on the 4-hour, maybe a bit more accurate. But yeah, we see this line basically popping up, something like this. And actually, to me, it looks like it is bottoming over here. VPVR not really showing anything clearly, in my opinion. No real volume gaps. Of course, if they bounce here, I think they bounce here. That's what my intuition says. Made a higher low over here, a lower high over here. This is a double top at the top. Can we see something else turning up support? Yeah, this one I would say. I mean, for now, I expect DOT to make. I mean, they went really steep at one point, so they will make a relief bounce. We can draw up some resistances. This is a resistance. This would be one. I mean, like I said, the VPVR doesn't show really much, but I mean, these lows over here could be something, and these ones, but for now the VPVR isn't showing anything. What do you want to see in a smaller time frame? We can take a look at a smaller time frame. 15 minutes. If that is okay, guys. Do we see a trend line over here? Yes, we do. They broke that one to the upside and made a retest, looking very good. And now what they have to do is make higher highs. So they need to break that one. Break that one after. Looking at very small time frames, guys. This is how I chart. You can use it on bigger time frames, smaller time frames, whatever. Almost a double bottom over here. Support. Let's say there's support over here. You just want to look at places where it touched multiple times. Maybe you guys see something, maybe I missed something. I would leave it like this, making higher high over here. Then it's a long opportunity, and this was a long opportunity break of that trend line as well. So yeah, that is about it, I would say. Can make the trend line a little bit bigger. Over here to this one. Anyway, that's about it for today, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know which coins to cover. And if you trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these sign up links. They give you discount on your trading fees, and fees take your money, and you don't want people taking your money. So make sure you use one of these sign up links. They're also in the video description. And like I said, make sure to subscribe. See you guys again tomorrow.